This year we're showing some new features on the camera, including the Bluetooth capability where we can remotely enter metadata, we can remotely look at the thumbnail clips and remotely control the recorder transport on the unit. One of the other new features that we have debuted is the ability to use a CF, a consumer CF memory card as an alternate to our normal GF pack. I think this is just a standard GF pack, and it is. This would be a 32 gigabit GF pack. They're available right now in 16, 32, and 64 gig. 128 is available shortly. Instead of having the built-in flash RAM memory, it has just a slot to insert a CF memory card, and that allows the user to use a consumer-style memory device. A lot of people have asked for that as a way of getting a more economical and more readily available media to use with this camera. 727p is one of our top-of-the-line studio CCD cameras. Has an integrated fiber adapter, very attractive package with or without what we call the system expander, the studio build-up kit. In this particular case, we don't have and don't need that studio build-up, so we're just mounting the compact studio lens directly to the camera and giving a full-size 9-inch color LCD monitor. Monitor, by the way, is a special technology which has a really excellent angle of view and excellent lag characteristic. Really, you have to sort of judge for yourself the quality of the viewfinder to see just how good the color is and how usable the viewfinder is even at off-axis situations. Down the line, I have two CMOS cameras, one tripod mounted next to me and another one to my backside here, a smaller POV camera. One new capability that we're demonstrating here at the show is the 1080 60p capability. And at least within Ikegami's product line, we're showing kind of a complete system from acquisition to display. So we have a studio configured camera with CCU and then connection to our own 24-inch LCD monitor, which includes the new optional 3 gig input card to display the 1080 60p image. We are showing 3 of our LCD monitor sizes here, the 9-inch, the 24 and 32-inch LCD monitors. Most recently we have what we call now the 50 series, a 17, a 24, and a 32-inch. All of those feature 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution and the aforementioned option for 3 gig input. The basic advantages, I would say, are the flexibility to do the different formats of which we've talked. This camera can be native 1080i, 720p, 1080 24p, and with the option can also do 1080 60p. Power consumption is one of the key advantages. The sensor draws about 2 watts less power consumption, even though it incorporates more circuitry. It has its own built-in drive. Another nice feature, which is really maybe not intrinsic to CMOS, but included in these cameras, is a pixel by pixel shading correction, which gives us a very attractive solution to any white spots that might occur. Typically with a CCD camera, we use a concealment program, which is okay, but we think we've taken it to a new level here with the ability to compensate any pixels automatically. So you continue to use them, you just compensate the dark current to correct for any deviation in them. And this process only takes 7 seconds to do the complete correction of all pixels.